Ooh, find me any other location. You already know that they're stalking, and so is Mike Lorenz's federal prosecution certain as well. Stalking while I'm walking away from ARCO, where the fake sun is moving away from ARCO, and this is where the entity is stalking, where it's remaining in alignment with the entrance of the Open Family Community Library, which is right here, which is what I'm documenting at 5:45 in the evening when this aimed in alignment to me, and the Ovid Family Community Library is threatening my life and monitoring my genitalia, stalking me in the bathroom in concert with Mike LORENZ, who's going to be prosecuted as a terrorist for conspiring murder while that agency is targeting. And that's what the Ontario Police were doing at 506 North Euclid Avenue this morning. It is a banner for mental illness. That's exactly what I'm exposing simultaneously, and flying over the top of my head in the middle of this parking lot while the fake sun moves as I move is the direct evidence putting the mentally ill, such as Mike LORENZ, exposed terrorists acting in concert with the people who are demons pacing all around an engineer light, speaking to their mental illness while they do so under a fake sun, stalking in a helicopter, exposing mental illness that you suffer from. That demon's going to prison, and Mike LORENZ is going to be federally prosecuted. So is Jason Isaac Fields. The federal government has been targeting me in concert with the city of Ontario, that is the state of California, as I have been unilaterally exposing it. And then the federal government, that is demons like Jason Isaac Fields, they presuppose that they would be looked at and mistaken for a hero. They don't even appear as a hero. Jason Isaac Fields is not mistaken for any hero. He is Tracy Banks' sex partner, co-member of a sex cult that's been targeting me, and he's also gang stalking me with the Ontario Police, whom he relied on. By their mental illness and them stalking me as being psychopaths was going to falsely depict my character as being mentally ill. And then that was going to, again, in a psychopath's mind, make him appear legitimate regarding criminal acts that he engaged in with the corrupt court. That is also gang stalking, as my documentation evidence shows, where I'm absent from court hearings where he's defaming my character in reliance upon the criminal defamation of the gang stalkers, the Ontario Police Department, and the people of the state like Eric Spencer and Tracy Banks and Jason Isaac Fields himself. This is the federal government's engagement and what the city of Ontario is exposing about it and what it is exposing about the state of California. You don't have any coincidence. Not only is this the fake sun, but they are in the middle of the parking lot flying over the top of my head again. Mike LORENZ and Derek Williams, because Derek Williams retired, he's going to be federally prosecuted as a terrorist, conspiring my murder, which this agency has been engaged in as a matter of documentation since 2018. Okay, the entity committed the first kidnapping by Jonathan Burnett, badge number 19993, May 4th, 2019. This agency has been engaged in the conspiracy with Jason Fields, with the federal government, with the state, Tracy Banks having a fake conservatorship. This is how all those facts work together, and Mike LORENZ is going to be federally prosecuted. And his mental illness, I want to be clear, both mentally examined and federally prosecuted for criminal conduct, which is simultaneously exposing severe mental illness. This is P.O.C. at what is 9:06 a.m. The entity has the fake sun over the Ontario Police Department at 9:16 a.m. P.O.C.